Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So on this video I want to show you a little known feature when you are executing a quick shot, and indeed how to execute a quick shot whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off. Now the drone is in the air, I'm going to show you how to exercise this quick shot. So a quick shot is an autonomous flight mode built into the drone, and it's going to execute that as a predetermined flight path and flight mode, and I think it's a really cool feature to get some really good shots. Now the quick shots are a separate entity to the master shots. If you haven't seen that video, then please do go check that out. I will leave a link above my head now. So master shots put together a combination of quick shots, whereas this is just a quick shot on its own. But like I said, I want to show you a really cool feature, how you can activate that quick shot without using a controller. So let's look at back of our screen then, and I'm going to click the menu, and then I'm going to go into quick shots. All right. Now, as you can see, we have a variety of quick shots, and you can select a distance as well. So we have a droney, and we have a rocket, which is really cool. We have a circle, we have a helix, boomerang, and then we have asteroid. Okay, and within certain ones of these you can also select the height and distance with which it will travel away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it pretty simple on this one. I'm going to keep it with the droney, all right, and I'm going to select that at 40 meters. Now as you can see, there is a little box on me, and the drone is wanting to identify me as a target. All you need to do is raise your hand in the air and making sure your elbow is above your shoulder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that now, and as you can see, I'm not going to click quick shots or select start on the controller whatsoever. So let's go ahead and do that now, and let's see how good it is. There we go. As you can see, it is now executing that quick shot absolutely brilliantly. And I think that's such a cool feature to be able to do it using a gesture. And like I said, not many people, I've never seen anybody do a video on this. So what's going to happen is now this quick shot is completed, the drone is automatically going to return back to its starting position. So that's coming in now. And then what I think we'll do, shall we give it another go? So let's utilize the rocket then. We'll go up 35 meters. So once again, I'm going to put the controller on the floor and then raise my hand just so you can see it happen. To that, I think quick shots are an absolutely epic way of getting some awesome shots without having to worry about flying the drone. Now, quick shots are available on the full fleet of DJI drones. I've just used the DJI Air 2S to demonstrate the gesture, and because it's the newest drone in my fleet. So what do you think to the gesture feature? I think it's really useful, and it means you don't have to have an ugly controller in your shot. You can just simply raise your hand, elbow above shoulder, and that will start the quick shot for you. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out all my other videos and give this a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you again soon.